To use Mailchimp for email marketing, sign up. Create an account on the Mailchimp website by providing your email address, username, and password. Create an audience. In Mailchimp, an audience refers to your email list. Create a new audience by importing contacts or adding them manually. Design your campaign. Click on Create and select the type of campaign you want to create. Choose a template or start from scratch to design your email. Personalize your content. Customize your email content by adding text, images, and links. Use merge tags to personalize the email with the recipient's name or other details. Set up automation. Create automated email sequences for welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, or follow-up emails based on subscriber actions. Preview and test. Before sending, preview your email to ensure it looks good on different devices. Send test emails to yourself and colleagues to check for any errors. Schedule or send. Choose whether to send the email immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. Track performance. Monitor the performance of your campaigns using Mailchimp's analytics tools. Track open rates, click-through rates, and other key metrics to measure the effectiveness of your emails. Optimize and iterate. Use the insights from your campaign analytics to refine your email marketing strategy. Experiment with different subject lines, content formats, and sending times to improve engagement and conversion rates.